My name is Nick Hart. I'm Managing Director of Hart Door Systems Limited in Newcastle upon Tyne. We developed a door specifically for waste for transfer stations, and they're notoriously difficult environments to put electrical and mechanical kit into that will be proved to be reliable over an extended period. So we took a product that could fulfill the size requirements and the wind loading requirements, and then amended it to deal with humid, dirty environments. And protected all of the electrical kit, kept it in heated boxes to ensure that all of the product was kept above dew points, so condensation couldn't appear within electrical components, for example. And that approach to satisfying clients' requirements is something that helps us become strong in certain market sectors.